Have you ever wondered how life survives in the harsh and unforgiving conditions of the desert? Picture the vast stretches of Namibia's desert, a world defined by extreme conditions. The sun is an unrelenting force, its intense heat searing the barren landscapes. The scarcity of water turns this place into a challenge of survival. Yet life persists here, through remarkable desert adaptations. In this seemingly inhospitable terrain, every creature, every plant has learned to adapt. They've evolved to endure the unyielding sun, the soaring temperatures, and the scarcity of water. They've developed unique strategies to not merely survive, but thrive, in an environment that would be lethal to most. These desert adaptations are the product of countless generations, each one a testament to the resilience and tenacity of life. They are nature's way of proving that life, in all its diverse forms, can and does flourish, even in the most severe conditions. Now let's journey through this arid landscape to discover the resilient inhabitants that have perfectly adapted to thrive here. In the heart of Namibia's desert, life has found a way. Amidst the endless sand dunes and scorching heat, a variety of animals have made this harsh landscape their home. The desert-adapted elephant, a unique species, has evolved with long legs and large feet, perfect for traversing the sandy terrain. In contrast to their forest-dwelling relatives, these elephants have learned to survive with limited water resources, a true testament to their resilience. Another hardy survivor is the gemsbok. With an uncanny ability to survive without water for extended periods, the gemsbok utilizes the moisture from the plants it consumes to stay hydrated. This remarkable adaptation enables them to endure the desert's relentless heat. And let's not forget the dune lark, the only bird species endemic to Namibia. Thriving on a diet of seeds and insects, these small birds extract enough moisture from their food to survive in this arid environment. These animals are proof that life can adapt and thrive even in the harshest of conditions. But it's not just the large creatures that have adapted to the desert. Let's turn our gaze to the smaller wonders of Namibia's desert. Take, for instance, the shovel-snouted lizard. This tiny dancer has developed a unique shuffle, a sort of foot jive to avoid the scorching desert sand. Then, there's the Namib desert beetle, a master of fog harvesting. This beetle has a knack for turning fog into water, using the bumps and grooves on its back to collect and channel precious droplets. A marvel, isn't it? And let's not forget the golden mole, a champion burrower. Despite being blind, this mole has honed its digging skills to navigate the desert's sandy terrain, staying cool and safe from predators. These seemingly small and insignificant creatures are, in reality, survival experts, each with a unique adaptation to thrive in this harsh environment. Even the smallest creatures have found ingenious ways to survive in the desert. So, what can we learn from these hardy survivors? From the elusive desert-adapted elephants to the smallest creatures, each one offers an insight into the magic of adaptation. They've each carved out a niche in these arid landscapes, utilizing every drop of water, every scrap of food, and every shade of shelter. Their existence underlines the importance of biodiversity, each species a critical cog in the wheel of the desert ecosystem. Life in the desert teaches us about resilience. These creatures, against all odds, have not just survived but thrived. They've adapted, evolved, and demonstrated a remarkable ability to endure the harshest of conditions. Yet the fragility of their existence cannot be ignored. These habitats and the life they support are precious. The desert's lessons are a reminder of the vital importance of conservation. As custodians of our planet, it's our responsibility to protect these ecosystems. As we leave the desert behind, remember the resilience of these creatures and the lessons they teach us about survival and adaptation.